Good morning to day 12. Thank you to those who checked off or turned in the video yesterday. Please do that. It just helps me to keep track of who's watching the video. In math today, you're going to work on fractions. You're going to add and subtract fractions. One of the tasks will be on a number line. It'll look like this. So 1/5 plus 1/5. So you start at 1/5, add another 1/5, end up at 2/5. So I'd type in 2 and submit. The other task is word problems, adding and subtracting. So you have to decide as you read the story, are they adding the fractions together or are they taking away? Okay? And then it says write your answer as a fraction or as a whole or mixed number. So you're going to have to do some reducing. Okay, then we're going to have our book discussion at 10 o'clock today. And during the book discussion, you're going to share your notes page from your Titanic project. At 11 o'clock, we're going to have our math check-in. This is just if you need it this week. This is going to be a fraction review. We're going to go back over equivalent fractions, how to simplify. We will take a improper fraction, make it into a mixed number, make it into an improper fraction. So we'll do some of those review things. And if you just want to check in, I had somebody check in yesterday that didn't really need it, but they just wanted to do it because they wanted to continue to learn. That's fine also. Okay, I extended our project until tomorrow so that you guys have today and tomorrow to finish up this reading and writing project because it's a big one. All right, any questions, please let me know. Have a great day learning. Hopefully to see you at 10.